Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to make a 3D star in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to make a 3D star in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click Shapes drop down menu. And we can see here many shapes. We find and select the star shape. Now here these all are stars and banner shapes. Now I select the star 5 points and draw these shapes. Press shift on your keyboard to draw these shapes perfect ratio. Now we can see here we make a star shape. You change these star shapes to 3D shape, click the shape and go to the drop down format menu. Then click shapes effect. Then click the preset and apply 3D preset. You can change this star color. Click the shape fill and select any color. And you can change the shape outline color. Click the shape outline and apply any color. Now we can see here we make a 3D star very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.